Exploring art movements, a timeline of creativity. Art movements represent distinct periods in art history where artists shared common styles, themes, or techniques. The Renaissance, starting in the 14th century, emphasized realism and human emotion, with works by Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo leading the way. The Baroque movement followed, bringing dramatic lighting and dynamic compositions, seen in the masterpieces of Caravaggio and Rembrandt. The 19th century witnessed the rise of Impressionism, with artists like Monet capturing fleeting moments with loose brushstrokes and vibrant colors. Soon after, modern art movements like Cubism, pioneered by Picasso, and Surrealism, led by Dali, revolutionized the way art expressed ideas. In the contemporary era, pop art, abstract expressionism, and digital art reflect the evolving relationship between art, society, and technology, showcasing the limitless possibilities of creativity.